In this video, I'll show you how to use a hot glue gun like this one. So the first thing you have to do is to plug it. This does not have an on and off button, so when it's plugged in, it means that the power is turned on and it's getting warm. So be careful. So I'll put it aside and I'll go plug it. Alright, so I want to plug it in and it will take a few minutes before we can actually use it. I always say it's better to have a piece of cardboard or some paper on the side where you can put it and the gun can rest on it. Why? Because when you're going to use it, the glue may drip from here after each time you're using it, and it's better to drip on something you can dispose afterwards. So let's wait. This one, I think I usually wait about 3 minutes, 4 or 5 minutes. I think it's fine. When you buy the gun, it doesn't come with some glue already pushed inside. So all you have to do is, I'll show you. It has a hole this way. Okay. Let me show you. And you're gonna take your glue stick and you're gonna shove it in the hole. All right. Now it has already one right here, and it's pretty much new, so there's no space anymore. All right. But if there's nothing inside, you just shove it all the way inside like this, and then you can use the trigger so the gun grabs into this glue stick and pushes it. But for now, there's already one right here, so we're gonna wait till it's warm. Okay, so now it's ready, and as you can see, the glue even starts to come out of this gun, even if I didn't press the trigger. So this is why it's nice to have a cardboard, so you don't care where this glue is dripping. Okay, so what you have to do now is, let's say I have this stick. If you want to apply a bit of glue here, all you have to do is gently press the trigger, all right? You don't have, let me show you. All right, I put some here, but just so you have an idea how much is going out is, I'll press it this way so you can still see the trigger. You don't have to press a whole bunch to have some glue coming out of the nozzle. And by the way, this nozzle is really warm, so please be careful, and of course don't touch it because you'll get burned really fast. All right, so if I want to put again a bit on this stick, I just have to press a bit, not fully, because if I press fully, let me show you, well, there is a lot coming out and you're gonna make a big mess. Okay, so all you have to do is just a bit, like so. So once you're done it, this glue is solidifying itself really quickly, so you have to apply and stick whatever you want to stick on top of the other thing really fast. Okay, I made a mess, obviously. This was just to demonstrate to you, but yeah, it solidified really quickly. If you have strings coming out of here, no problem, you can just remove them once they're cold. All right, so I glued these two pieces together. Now I'll show you how to push a new glue stick inside. Let me use this one. All right, let me push it. Okay, great. So as you can see, this glue stick is almost done. You can see it right here. You're gonna take a new glue stick, insert it in the hole, as I showed you before. And I'm gonna push it slightly. Okay, I'll apply some pressure, not much. And then with the trigger, I'll just continue using the glue as I used the other one, okay? Okay, so you don't need to do anything else. When you need a new stick, you just shovel it in and the gun will grab into it, this white part right here, and will push it forwards for you. Great. Okay, now I'll make a mess. Let's say you're done. Okay, what you have to do is simply rest the gun. Again, with a piece of cardboard is better, and unplug it. Okay, so now it's unplugged. Let it sit about 5 minutes, or even more I would say, to make sure it's completely cold so you can touch it and even clean if there's some glue residue left on the nozzle. Alright, so this was a quick tutorial on how to use a simple glue gun. Thanks for watching, and please give me a like if this video was helpful. See you in the next one.